New hotel. That's a different area. It's called Sonesta. Rancho Bernardo.
Okay, next hotel, the Battles of the Sonestas. So these are more like the hotels, as you can see, versus the other one seemed more like a townhome. Okay, so this is our room. Let's go check in. Oh. When you enter, we have the kitchen. It is a full kitchen. So the other one had 4. This one only has 2. So, okay. So here we have some dishes. So that's good. And we have our spoons and forks. Now, kind of sad they only have one of this, not like the other one, but more knives. Okay, so now this is the living room. We got a big table now. Okay, let's check out the view.
It's kind of dark.
Kind of dark.
But in the morning,
It's okay.
you see it better.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to this side because we don't know what's this side. What's the light? There's no light here? Okay, let's turn on the light. Oh,
A stand shower still?
a stand shower. Yeah, here we go. Okay, here's the sink.
Oh, it has a blowjob.
Hi. This is our closet. Pretty big. Bigger than the other one. So this is the room.
What's inside of it?
Open it.
I don't want
And she doesn't want to, she goes for it.
She
it.
goes,
You need a key
I
for it.
think this is a king bed. Open it.
Yeah, you need a key.
You need a key?
Yeah.
What?
What's inside of this room?
What is inside this room? Let's find out. Let's go around. Because the kids didn't notice, there's another room over here. Closet. Sink.
Sorry.
Bathroom.
Lights it up.
That's a little funky, but okay. The sound, I don't like that.
Yeah.
And here's the other room.
Which is, I don't know who's for.
Oh, okay. Look at the view. Look at the view.
A little dark also.
A little dark.
You can see it in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, the open in this, I think. Where's it going? Oh, it is.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. So this room is actually my daughter's room. Well, the kids' room, technically.
I like both of them actually.
That one.
The kids' room. Can we check the key door?
Georgia, if he wants the couch. Maybe. If you want the couch. And this will be me and Scarlett's and Tony's. Now, we don't know what's over there, so we're going to have to find out. Just kidding.
So I know Jackie redid the review, but I just got back. And I'm gonna show you guys the toilet. So the toilet, ooh, okay. Kind of like the public restrooms, I have it. Let's see the flush test. It's a little bit weaker, but you know, I guess it'll do. But yeah, this is our room. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We do have a lot bigger room, so now we're gonna have plenty of space with Scarlett sleeping with us. Cause you're a crazy sleeper. You're a crazy sleeper. And then she told me about that room. So that room's kind of weird. I don't know what that is. So, yeah. Not sure if you guys showed you this view. But this is the view from our room. And we could see the pool kind of from here. So we're gonna go do a little quick walk around in a bit. I'll say the only thing that's probably like can ding it for me is the stains right here. Kind of weird stains if you ask me. But yeah, just gonna make sure I don't touch that. So they have these rooms and they're so small, but we have no idea what these are. I'm so confused because what can fit in there? We're gonna go walk around the hotel. We're also gonna wash because we have no clean clothes. So this is the laundry room, but one washer is out of order and two washers out of order. But all the dryers work, 1, 2, 3, 4. So someone's washing here. We started washing our clothes here, but we still have that much to wash. But we do have a view of outside in the court, and then the fitness room is also in here with the TV, the weights. And then if you have towels, it says place the towel right here. So here at this one, we have a proper basketball court. Well, you don't have a free throw line. It's the only bad thing. But a court nonetheless. It's a nice hoop. And they do have a bunch of basketballs. We saw on the front desk. And then over here, we have a nice seating lounge area. And if you want to be out here during the summer, you know, we also got a fire pit over here. Pretty sure the staff have to turn it on. And then we have a pool. Oh, there's a rabbit. There's bunnies. Let's go see the bunnies. See the bunnies. There's 2 of them. One on alert and one. They know we're here. And then here's another seating area. And then we have another seating area with a grill. And then the grill is open 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. this area is closed. And they do have rules. You have to be a registered guest, 18 and plus at all times. Please clean the grill, place all trash and trash receptacles. Make sure all knobs are in opposition, and be courteous with your time if others need to use the grill. So, girl, don't be touching me. So, that's all the stuff they offer here. At least that we've seen so far. I don't know about anywhere else. The bad thing about this is once you exit, you can't enter. There's no door handle, even though there's a key. Good thing we had Jackie stands.
The next day.
So we have dinner box. Cheese. We'll get a bagel for Jackie. You want toast? Or a bagel? Sure. With cheese omelet. Okay. Looking here has cheese. Okay, you can get apple juice, orange juice. Whatever you want. One extra cheese. Make it cream cheese. Make it bagel. Chicken sausage. Two. And then give me a blueberry bacon. So I couldn't film a lot because there's a bunch of people over. But they had apples, oranges, cereal, coffee, oatmeal, but oatmeal was packaged. And tea. Yeah. About the same breakfast as the other hotel. So we were trying to figure out how to cook, right? We turn this, nothing's turning on. And then I see this. It's a little timer. And it looks like a light timer. But we found out if you turn it on, this will also turn on. Watch, let me show you. Did that? And look, now the light turned on. Why do you have to be difficult? Just let me turn it on. I don't need that. We just wanted some sopa.